Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very interesting pair of wired earphones. The FiiO JH5 from Amazon. They look like a premium model and deliver surprisingly high quality sound for their price. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more reviews. Alright, let's get started. The earphones arrive in a stylish box that looks premium even for an affordable model. Inside, everything is neatly arranged. The earphones themselves, a high-quality cable, several pairs of ear tips, and a small manual. The packaging leaves a very positive impression and feels as if you're opening something far more expensive. The housings use a transparent design that exposes the internal components, creating a modern and eye-catching look. There is also a metal accent on the outer shell that adds a premium feel. The included cable is soft, doesn't tangle easily, and has a detachable construction, so you can replace it if you ever need to. The earphones sit comfortably in the ears, don't press, and stay in place even while walking. The main advantage of this model is the combination of multiple drivers inside each earphone. This provides clean sound, pleasant bass, and a level of detail rarely found in the budget segment. The earphones also have a strong volume reserve, so you can easily listen even in noisy environments. The included ear tips help create a tight seal, improving bass response and reducing outside noise. These earphones offer sound quality that clearly exceeds the typical budget level. Their design looks modern and unique, so the model is easy to recognize. The fit is comfortable even during long listening sessions, and the detachable cable adds extra versatility. The sound is well balanced. The bass doesn't overwhelm the mids, and the highs stay smooth and pleasant. Overall, they work great for music, movies, and gaming. The earphones don't have Bluetooth, so you need a smartphone with a headphone jack or an adapter, which may be inconvenient if you're used to wireless models. The transparent design won't appeal to everyone, as some may find it too technical. The sound quality also depends strongly on choosing the right ear tips, and if the size is wrong, the bass may feel noticeably weaker. This model left a very strong impression. It looks as if it costs more than it actually does, and the sound quality is pleasantly surprising. You can clearly hear the bass, the fine details in the music, and the vocals sound clean. The earphones are lightweight, comfortable, and fit well. This is exactly the kind of situation where you buy a budget product but get an experience closer to a higher-end level. For everyday use, they are an ideal option, especially for their price on Amazon. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this review, leave a like and tell me in the comments what earphones you're using right now. And don't forget to subscribe. There are many more Amazon tech reviews coming soon. See you in the next videos.